okayfm 101.7.
Okay, 101.7. So, any lawyer Godwin Edudzi Tamakloe, director legal, Emma English Amankono, na yene no twetwe enkomo. Law me mochi.
Olunyanso manage. Dawo.
Na won pomo to say.
Obwa dia da yamuye na kwa. Ya o ebo no wa.
Yenyina yeso yejoso. Yenyina yejoso. Enkomo me no be dey na no Saturday na me heard news file. Na wa nkasa wonua lawyer Gary ni mako.
Okay.
Wone Samson Ladi ayene ni twetwe nkomo afa letter be through the speaker no parliament atro de akoma the Supreme Court of the land dated 18th October 2024 Gary mo edidi ho enkomo. Now the premise of it in say wama article 117 and 118 of the 1902 Constitution. Na o chere say o kenkanya o se MPD kodi ni dwuma wo koye sei wo say yesei o say dia wuntimi enserve no enye yi wuntimi serve parliament bere kra na they are in session no ne de keka ho citing the articles 117 and 118 inti so can letter na o say I'm directed by the Right Honorable Abansumana Kingsford Bagbin, Speaker of Parliament, to return the attached processes which was left at the legal service of the parliamentary service by 3 bailiffs of the court on Wednesday 16th October 2024. Attempts were made to serve the same processes on Tuesday 15th October 2024. The Right Honorable Speaker notes that the attempted service is contrary to the Article 117 of the 1992 Constitution and the circular issued by Her Ladyship Justice Sarah Pamela CA Quarantine, and then the Judicial Secretary and copied to the Honorable Lady Chief Justice with reference number blah 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 entitled Enforcement of Articles 117 and 118 of the Constitution, Immunity from Service of Process and Arrest, dated 12 July 2024, addressed to all registrars of courts. Consequently, the Right Honorable Speaker has directed return of the attached processes for your necessary action. Kindly accept my highest regards. Yanwe dear SCA na ba ko amidi be di kabusa ne say or return letter na the eba ya majority for no sorry ko no sa de no na wono so be kan kire parliament say wanya letter no it is our letter we no or return the bay ne ho something to say
Yo, Bagbin, Fabio, I will give for online. That crack dated 18th October. It has been taken by development. And she confessed that letter.
Yeah, baby, I didn't want to try. Why?
Okay. That's understood.
Yeah,
hello.
Me ba try yenti.
Now make that crack it has been overtaken by events. And the overtake that crack is now moved.
Oh, it's mute. Okay.
Is of no effective yet. And then it that crack you can exploit the day Supreme Court is that party application. What should be a year Friday? The very fact that Supreme Court that's not a case yet. Amen. Background. Background line.
I may also permit you.
I think it's important with put certain things to proper perspective. But your MPP Constitution, Article 9.
Meaning what about me office?
Okay. But say, main quote the MPP Francasa or Constitution, Article 9. You find you see, politics, they must be principle. The airport principle and come one. They say among them, and if the politics look like gangster, Article 9, MPP Constitution, that's a quote. A member of the party who stands as an independent against the officially elected member of the party.
Me too.
When the party has a sponsored candidate in the general election, automatically for his or her membership of the party. This is what the MPP Constitution says. Suddenly, MPP says this provision in their constitution doesn't matter anymore. It doesn't matter anymore.
Now, my musa question be. Say party be your constitution. Can say. Okay, me wa party no. But me say parliament here oh I still remain with my party as a member. But me the next parliament ebeba enyama yen because ebeba kro na Jesus parliament we dissolving upon its dissolution no and na meba be ye expression of an intent. I know it's a legal step and no it's because my sadia me free and na manfo kra court to say honorable tenya unu Mike tenya unu lower manya 2012 or can say the next parliament he will go independent. The then Speaker of Parliament, or Right Honorable Doajaho, was expelled from Parliament.
Hello.
Me was super. No.
Black Kwame, you see, law. Yeah, friend, a slave boy. You lose your membership automatically. Does it mean that you have to wait until the next year?
Make say party ni minyai yo.
That you at this point, let's mention. Yes, the chief of staff, the mechanic, and the chief of staff, proposal.
Na kwala no.
On the MPP parliamentary candidate. Yes, sir. That's the official candidate of NDP. It is honorable to just aside the nomination for electoral position. Per the Constitution Article 9, has it not forfeited its membership? Where in the NDP Constitution I can't until the next election and to have forfeited its membership. Now, only myself.
Debbie.
Honorable Christian say, immediately of filing his nomination with the electoral commission, I'm not done pray. Then you need the MPP parliamentary MP from WhatsApp. Meaning, or not done pray now. Implement is enforced Article 9 of the MPP Constitution. You see the double standard. You see the hypocrisy. Only man recognizing the effect of Article 9 of MPP Constitution. When you make the platform,
I know vitiate the membership.
No, you lose. The election you forfeit automatically. It does not require an event.
So law, and I yedi ako Supreme Court. Obi a file application to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court na am ruling on the matter.
Can we settle on something?
Okay, me too.
What it means when they say MPP for any on Article 9 M2. Is that the case?
Well, me too.
Adia, would you do what I call for the interpretation?
Sir, Bibia, chinye bia no, if I am running at the end of the
constitution, actually,
but in supersede 1902 constitution.
It has nothing to do with that. Well, first of all, you subscribe to a political party first. The plaintiff at the Supreme Court, Miamishi lawyer Alexander Afenyo Market. Why
MPP?
Does he believe in Article 9 of the MPP Constitution? Article 9 of the MPP Constitution, is it of any effect to...
me pacho me bo, say, omuna ewo omamamra. Ebi kura no I stand for correction. Ebi a omukura womo amend certain provisions in the MPP Constitution. The name say womo amend is womo amend here. And maybe
not been amended. This is the MPP Constitution.
Oh, okay, it has not been amended. Oh, right. Make that to us well.
You see, the idea is that and you see that family. Your constitution way no. Our history, our money.
Eti, papa. Ayi, papa. Okay, Baju.
Oh no, we are senior citizens. Okay, MPA, your friend J.H. Outra Champ. Okay, no.
Does he?
J.H. Outra Champ. Okay, no.
Hey, Sunyani, no me kind of papa.
Okay, lawyer Kukuba.
Hey, Lima type.
You need to say, Omoba PSP.
Popular Front Party, yeah.
Omoba, no. Later, then almost do almost party now, you Omoba, no. But they still want to remain in Parliament. So, okay.
Meaning power.
So, okay, from 79, Kukuba, any J to that now Parliament onto the coup in 81.
That is 31st December 1981, yeah.
Even though they have left the political party on whose ticket they were voted for to come to Parliament. You know, and now you get 1992 Constitution, you know, recognizing Daniel Maria also in the past. In the head article 97 1H at the buyer to cure that mischief now effort so in 79. It is usually can say a constitution mirrors the history of the people. It is because of that abacus you know. And now you call 1992 constitution here say we can have opportunistic individuals of a contest on the ticket of one party or bar no should I be o me for okaya so shall you say no ye MPP pa 2004 in over contest here as NDC candidate for Tamale Central or contest here no around 2006, 1 month, yes, sorry, yeah. So, shall you say is the one cross carpet to MPP, the original political party? In a city that be the NEPA constitution in my mind for you to cross carpet and remain in the house. Once you have taken the decision to cross carpet, you are going home.
But your mammy Musabi. But your law. The see and granted say MPP Constitution no Article 9 no wakutu no and just automatically where you want free party no more. Then a crossing of carpet and I then.
But that's what it is.
Sorry?
Me said that's what it is.
of carpet esi wa parliament ana esi asa parliament ana betumi esi both
o say esi parliament
na say ebetumi esi outside parliament by nipan actions
say yeah ana onfu a what's the thing behind number 2 dating of animal one constitution no every duality and say obeba only baba who is independent at the same time who is and I say who is MPP at the same time independent. Constitution name fair duality. That's what I say. But say it happens only when there is coalition government. In those circumstances, it does not impact. But here, what take positive steps of fighting your nation? That is positive. That is, it is no longer an intention. It's no longer in your head. I tell you what you do, but what consummation that you have brought life into that.
Baba Bay, the issue of saying Nipana a consummate, I really share it to you. Obi say parliament na was say wa ye MP wo ho no away 2 sa parliament no kwa ya to ho aba there be 3 wa win na wa win there be e ho no ti say
you don't even get to the point where you say an army release.
Because mo can say expression of an intent. Na ade ne ma so no yetibi bu maten e wo ho.
Say we no that kind okobo from who read that akobo awambo dey chewa enya atẹ
oba ya mi gina dem ho no.
Is it a defense to say oh yeah my brother yeah is that a defense?
And they be say be able charge me for unlawful entry but because my bokro no
na incident here or attempted stealing.
There you me say what I say mi gina dem ho oba ya kwa no adan me ba ball abeto hom na me hwehwe say come work
the udu kosa na what I think that we should all let us have. For me, the less is both NDC and MPP. It is practice and support. One we said, in 2018, when the MPP took that decision against the Honorable Siyama, almost very comfortable majority. So, Oman they were short-sighted. So, Oman came at the first time. So, but if we have a parliament that the number is that we have, and 4 of us decide to go independent, what will be the impact on us? What will be the effect if we are not to it? Oman, they were short. At that time, no more agreement. They were partition. The Honorable Siyama and I've always said I see the West out. All the economic challenges that have today is because you see, we and that Akufa, dear because none of us done for Akufa to act for me now. Akufa, they have been all submitted with this. The Siyama, anyway, they are going to take the I won't say you remember that statement.
Yeah, but law, a branch home, Mammy Musadio, Supreme Court ruling now, or yeah, was say, ruling 4 Now, see, second, no, the Parliament of Ghana is directed to recognize and allow the 4 affected members of Parliament herein named to duly represent their constituents and conduct the full scope of the duties of their offices as members of Parliament pending the determination of the suit. In view of the gravity of the issues raised in this instant, that is point 3, suit, and the urgency of this matter, this court hereby directs, pursuant to Article 1294 of the 1992 Constitutions and Rule 5 of the CI 16, the defendant and Speaker of Parliament and the Attorney General are to file their statement of case within 7 days of service of this ruling. The parties are further ordered to file their joint memorandum of issues within 7 days of filing of their statement of case for due hearing of this suit. When Abambabi, what the Bayajuma, one fine year, Conan or Canasa, Nesaka, Patobo, Nasa on fine year, Juma. What are the consequences? Yeah.
Bacho institution.
And Pachomo.
Bacho call Article 116 months. Now, yeah. Nothing.
Article say
112.
Okay. Article 112 of the 1992 Constitution. I want to say sessions of Parliament. A session of Parliament shall be held at such a place within Ghana.
No, 1126.
1126, okay. 1126. Right. Notwithstanding clause 5 of this article, a by-election shall not be held within 3 months before the holding of a general election.
So, this Article 94 events are here. General Speaker, based on Standing Order 18, I inform a Parliament about these vacancies. Supreme Court said one of the reasons for which they are still living is that the people in Formina, the people in Aguna West, any Amenfi Central will be denied representation. With the greatest respect to the court, with the greatest respect. Article 1126 says, if the event in 1987 Mubia here, I can only 3 months to the next general election, there shouldn't be a bias. So, in the superior wisdom of the prevalence of the 1992 Constitution, they anticipated that the events under 97 can happen 3 months to an election. If it happened in that manner, don't say the people will deny representation because it can be a by-election.
Baba, Lord, Mami, was there a service to Parliament? Yes. Because Speaker Bekan said in Saka Krata. And now,
about even that is a bit contentious because you see, I like consistency and predictability. The Judicial Secretary, Cecilia Pamela Granting, they issued Circular 9. In that circular, no, the procedure to serve a process on the Speaker of Parliament, it does not include service of the process on the legal department. So it is based on the Chief Justice and the Judicial Secretary, their own circular. That service, the purported service on the Speaker, I believe you, is irregular and they know it.
But Speaker J, ever catch it, my Sebe Janison and Saka.
Speaker and J.
What's it? It's a what's your need to be an India. Seven mountain here.
The process has been served on the legal department. What is the Chief Justice Ankasa circular now? Does the legal department of Parliament a basic system?
It is about me both say eka one be 7 e Monday another be Parliament in this session another be.
You Chief Justice in the sessions of Parliament, make it that circular. One why secular was made by you.
Maybe because of the exigencies of the time.
Maybe then. They are no maybe.
Yeah.
They are not bad.
Hey, Lord, where do you me patch a bit into one? Me person we say as it stands now. Or that say one file statement of facts in and no more famra within 7 days upon this service now become our any other baby you gina pa you gina say
Black Kwame tell why we the lawyers for Speaker of Parliament have filed a process at the Supreme Court. My mom will hearing notice that is tomorrow in the morning for the said application to be heard. So let's see what happens tomorrow.
Right.
When the Supreme Court takes the to hear the application filed by the lawyers for Speaker.
Okay.
I think that will clarify the issue going forward.
Mama na wase law. Na yes e kura donko so ko.
Black Kwame you make me ask you Islam Yankopon the demo. Yankopon the church.
Abai pa said you kawosia win oh makana hakura o.
Wouldn't say said you what to be Edudzi.
Hi. One maame and akura do adwuma Rollins. One maame Betimo Idrisu.
Wouldn't say party area are producing very powerful politicians.
Yes.
Very powerful politicians. And that's which means now college for now application with but because and some morning will see the back and a bush for them
answer now because wouldn't Gary Marquardt sorry Nekra Abba the news center the Bogotani the picture that and so can with this fire was it Parliament is duty bound to respect Supreme Court ruling. Gary Marquardt Parliament will be a duty bound to respect the rulings of Supreme Court and answer them.
Which year the last speaker as the proceedings in the or can be very useful. Let's say we have the numbers to commence business, but we do not have the numbers to take a decision.
Sure. I remember.
The person that Parliament is duty bound to respect the order decisions of the express court of the land to be a decision that Parliament as a whole would have to take. Unfortunately, Parliament need the number to take that decision. My understanding is that MPP to MP for the recall of Parliament. I believe that Senior Martin now my meeting leader basically steps to get his numbers to the house to get the rest numbers to take it. And I believe that they can decide for themselves what to do.
But that's an pay. Lawyer Godwin Edudzi Tamakloe any train communicate 101.7 so any na yanko anima na afemi mfa we mfem na
okayfm 101.7